Here it is, the best chess set ever, XL Heavyweight Edition. This has quadruple weighted extra heavy chess pieces, as well as this one's going to have the green silicone board. And I'm so excited to show it to you today. So it's in the shrink wrap. I'm going to take that off. First, you see it's got a really nice modern style box. And this sticker shows that this is the green board. We sell it in the black or the green board. Let's pull off this shrink wrap and see what's inside. It's really heavy. It's like over 5 pounds because the pieces themselves are 4 pounds. There we go. We open it up. Here we have a "We will fix it" sign with, it says, "You cannot avoid mistakes and bad luck" by Mikhail Tal. Little chess joke, former world chess champion. And it's true. We want you to be stoked with your new set. And we have a 365-day money-back guarantee. If a piece, disappears or there's something that you want us to help you with, we're more than happy to help you. I'm trying to provide the best possible customer experience. Then in addition, we have the strategy guide. It's 32 pages long. Your chess adventure starts now. It begins with becoming a chess strategist, where we're teaching how the board is set up and some background on chess. Then we have the rules of play, so you learn how each piece moves. Then you have castling and en passant, so you know all the rules in the game. And now you have things like opening the game with the center and some opening strategies. You have some tips for the chess strategies. We have basic strategy and fun strategy. We have some more advanced things, becoming a chess sage, where you're learning the value of each piece. You're starting to learn how to win material. And it keeps going. We have insights, like looking for force moves, looking into the future, tactical motifs, and looking at the whole board. And, we have a quote from a former world champion, Steinitz, who says, "Only the player with the initiative has the right to attack." So there's a lot in here. That's just the beginning, but it's a 32-page illustrated chess guide. It's both for beginners and intermediate and advanced players will learn some things as well. It's even got some fun facts about the Knights Tour and just some things that you probably don't know about that's pretty cool about chess. We have the googly eyes, which are really fun. You add them to the chess pieces if you choose to. It becomes kind of an arts and craft project with your board game. I think it's really funny when the pieces have these googly eyes, and every time you make a move, the googly eyes, is moving around. And it's just really cute and fun. And so we wanted to add an element of humor to the game, which we did with the googly eyes. So these are the chess pieces. They're coming in this velvet bag that you can just throw this bag in your backpack and be on the go. Of course, you can throw the whole box in your backpack, but it's just a new addition to the set is these velvet bags. Then we have these extra heavy-weighted edition quadruple weighted chess pieces. I'm going to show you the silicone board. So this board is special because it's made of silicone, which essentially it always lies flat and has a special design. We roll it out and voila. Then we can start setting up these pieces. These pieces are real heavy. The king is 4 inches tall, and the set is 4 pounds. And they all have just a really nice, heavy, durable feel. Really nice for speed chess. I think you'll like these pieces a lot. The queen used to be a little bit too pointy, and we removed the too pointedness of the queen, which is an improvement we made as well. And then boom, we have these chess pieces. So when we're selling the XL Heavyweight Edition, we're selling pieces that kind of have this cream color. And the best chess set ever triple weighted has like a ivory white color. So that's a different color. That was kind of based on customer feedback and what customers were enjoying. And so we got these. The knights are sweet. You kind of value a chess set by the knight. You can see its eyes and its nose and its mouth. It's got teeth and it's got these ears that are slicked back and this long mane. So that's kind of how you know it's like a really nice set. Is based on the quality of the knight. So we set up the chess set. We got extra queens in case you promote a pawn into a queen. And boom, I'm playing the Sicilian Najdorf against myself. I capture. Ooh, it feels so good to capture with the quadruple weighted pieces. And I'm going to attack the pawn, defend with the knight, and boom, I'm in the Najdorf. You know, get to play. And it's just a really great set. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And this is the Best Chess Set Ever XL Heavyweight Edition.